Good morning, Cyber Traders. Happy Thursday. Halfway done through the month of May on this beautiful day on the 16th. How's everybody doing? Good to see you. Good morning to you, Mark, Grant, Lawrence, George. Good to see you, Lou, Ben, Lita, everybody, old Cyber Traders. So hopefully we're having a good morning so far. Looks like a lot of you starting to clean up with this IOVA. Great pre-market move. It was a great call this morning. Stock already started around 14.25. Nice to cash out if you can get out at 15 right now, right? Up about a buck, 1,000 shares, which is ultimate goal. $1,000. Nice day to start the morning. But before we do that, guys, just don't forget, I just want to kind of just bring it up really quick. Today is the Cyber Expo. So for all of you from 11 to 2, we got three great speakers, so look forward to seeing you all there. Make sure you go out there and tweet it and share it with your friends. Got some of the greatest masterminds of the industry. You got Norman Hallett, you got myself, you got Tom Busby, all great guys. They've been around as long as I've been around, so look forward to seeing you all there. Now, regarding about what happened yesterday, everyone. Listen, there was a couple of good movers. You heard, this is the beauty about trading. Could you imagine being long right now, OSTK? I mean, a lot of you guys remember this stock. Oops, typed in the wrong window. Okay, a lot of you guys remember this stock. I'm going to go back and change this long-term chart. So this stock had a lot to do with blockchain and weekly, there we go. And this stock, people cleaned up on this stock, and it just did not stop. I mean, this is overstock. What the hell do they have to do with blockchain, right? So this stock went from 11, went all the way to about $80. People cleaned up. It was, and this is what you have to be careful of. You go out there and you think like you see an opportunity like this to make money on a stock, and then sure enough, you got the stock blockchain, and then now the stock is tanking, and then now all of a sudden, what is the news? The CEO dumped 500,000 shares over Monday and Tuesday this week. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? Okay, why would he sell his stock at 10? Unless he's got to build a nice extension, But I mean, what is $500,000 of shares? I mean, is that a lot? Was that $5 million? I don't think that's really a lot of money. I mean, if it was at $80, if he was smart, you're talking 40 million. All right, so big difference from 5 million to 80 million. So I don't know what the story is, but obviously Overstock not looking too well. But I thought that was a pretty interesting, great little short announcement. You could see it right here yesterday. What a great short. That's if some of you could get it on your short list, But that one did really well. What else was pretty good? The VERI trade right there. That one had a beautiful little push right there. Nice little cheap little stock. Spread got a little big some here and there. Did a couple of little shakes here and there. But overall, that the VERI did pretty good. We had a pretty good afternoon watch list. But overall, it was kind of like, even with the market being up the way it was, yeah, you just got to take your money and run. Listen, if you guys are doing pretty well, like I said, if you're doing pretty well with the IOVA, I mean, what's wrong? Take the money and run. All right. Let me just fix it. This keeps doing this on me. Let me fix my level 3 here. But this thing has just been a beautiful, fun stock to trade. Everyone should have got a little piece of it. Remember, early bird gets the money. Now, one of the big stocks that I've been a big fan of is Uber. And everyone keeps talking about Uber. Now, let me tell you about the problem with Uber. Uber is a very difficult stock to day trade. This stock has more shakes than I've seen in a long time. Now, let me just fix the time frame here. Now, how do you know the stock is a day trade? Okay, I mean a swing trade. Now, remember what I told you that the stock went public. We saw it happen on Friday. Listen, it's not even a week old already. It's only Thursday. So stock, as soon as it came out of the gate, had a nice little pop, came straight back down, gap down, went all the way down to about 36.50. Stock got really beat up. Now, this stock, obviously, everyone always asks me, like I told you, I went to get my hair cut. My barber was even asking me, Fausto, what do you think of Uber? And this was on Friday. And I says, nah, stay away on the side. Good thing he listened to me because he would have got crushed. Now, how do we know it's a swing trade? Remember, this is what you learn in swing trading. It's got to have like a consistency about 2-3 days up. When once you have a consistency and you're breaking higher highs, then it's a good time to go as a swing trade. Now, I bought it. I bought it yesterday. On a swing trade. Now, this is a day trade, and I'm at the point where now it started filling in the gap, what it did yesterday, which the gap fill was between 40 and 42. Now it's testing that resistance levels of 42. So if it does break up, listen, I might average up, because listen, that's how you trade. You use small shares. Remember, day trading and swing trading is totally different. You're trading big lot shares when you day trading, but you're making your day's pay. When you're swing trading, you're leading into it. You can't mix. It's a totally different animal. So swing trading, I'll average up. I might consider averaging down, depending on the position. But when you day trade, it's a different animal. But that's what teaches you how to be a good swing trader. So anyway, I'm still a fan of Uber, and I'll let you guys know in class if I'm going to consider if I consider averaging up. All right. Now, let me get up here. There we go. All right, so what do we got going on? So we got the overstock. We're going to keep an eye on that one. We got the IOVA. We'll look back at that. We'll just talk about the Uber. What else we got? The CUI. Okay. Now this one gapped up pretty nicely. It's got great volume. I mean, over almost 600,000 shares trade up 19%. Look at all those orders over there on the matrix. I mean, you got big orders everywhere, but she is trending down. So she gapped up pretty big yesterday. She is backing down. She's holding from yesterday's lows right there, right around $1.40. So I want to see how that holds up right there. Cheap low stock, level one stock. I think everyone could afford to trade this one. And I just want to bring up Walmart. You guys, we're not going to trade Walmart, okay? But I just think it's a very interesting story. Walmart finally is kind of breaking out of its shell a little bit. It looks like Walmart is now stepping up and trying to go after, I think I heard on TV, they're going after Amazon. They're going to start doing one-day shipments. So instead of being Prime, you can get the stuff at Walmart. So I don't know if that's kind of helping out the stock a little bit, but I thought that was quite interesting. Somebody stepping up the plate. Hey, listen, capitalism, this is what it's all about, competition, right? So eventually we got, that's how we control monopolies when you got these companies like Amazon. Not that I just bought something this morning on Amazon, but, it's good to know that some of these companies are going to start stepping up to the plate. Brick and mortars are not always at it. Sometimes buying online is, so hopefully they work out. But anyway, this might trickle down to other stocks. That's the reason why I'm bringing this up, if regarding about the stock being up higher. So if there's anything that does pop up, I will bring it up. Now, listen, the list is really not that big, okay? And what it is. But we see when the market opens up, things always come out and will pop up there. But that one stock, like I said, everyone should have did pretty well and jumped in early and should have done pretty well on the IOVA. You know what? If you chased it at 450 and you sold it at 15 here, 50 cents, even if you didn't make the full buck, you should have still made your 500 and called it a day. All right. From Walmart, usually uses Amazon. Is that what the rumor is? Okay. Yeah, just bought a shirt and stuff online, free shipping from Mary Beth. Okay. Well, like I said, you know what? Don't get caught up on the height. Just get caught up on the opportunities. That's what it comes up to trading. All right, so listen, remember, guys, today, big day, Cyber Expo's going on. Look forward to seeing you guys starting at 1 o'clock. The reason why I do in the middle of the day is because the middle of the day is pretty much dead. Day trading is a part-time job. You start early. You should be done by today, no later than 10. And usually when we do our 2:30 meeting, usually last 30 minutes. You have your game plan, get ready, just make your pop, make your day's pay. All right. So anything else out there, we'll go out there and share it. In the meantime, guys, good luck today. Happy trading. See you back at 11 for the Cyber Expo, and then we'll be back at 2:30 for the afternoon, see what trade going to the close. Remember, everybody, see something, say something if you see anything in the market. Good luck today. Happy trading.